Page 137, number 29. Find the equation of the reflection of f across first the x-axis and then the y-axis. So the equation for number 29 is f of x equals x to the third minus 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so what we're going to do to find the reflection across the x-axis, that means we'll call g of x is going to equal negative f of x. So we'll substitute our function, and we're going to take negative x to the third minus 5x to the second minus 3x plus 2, and we're going to distribute that negative. So g of x will equal negative x to the third plus 5x squared plus 3x minus 2. So there's our reflection across the x-axis. Now to reflect it across the y-axis, we're going to take our function, we'll call this one h of x, and we're going to take f of negative x. So that's going to be negative x to the third minus 5 times negative x squared minus 3 times negative x plus 2. So our h of x, which will be a reflection across the y-axis, will be negative x to the third minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 2. So there's our reflection over the y-axis.